Ki pulit ka East Khasi Hills kila plight da ka All India Lookout Notice ban thwetting ya urunar ublasha keno dan kti ha ka balik beijot ha ka case bala register halait nkra police station. Habakran shakilat pthaikubor u Superintendent of Police uba Vivek em ula ong baki pulit ke jala kila sedangi ki la jingat relang bat ki pulit ka Mizoram na luar bat ki pat ki jala ban thwet ya uni urunar. Ki pulit kila register case halat nkra. Ngila penmi ru da ka look out notice ha Mizoram bat menta kasngi ngila penmi ru ya ka All India look out notice bat la thau ru da ka kinhuan ka ban thwet ya uni ubriu basha keno dan kti ha kane ka kam runar ong uba Vivek. Ula ong baki pulit kila dab ban shim jing tho ya ka jing batai jong kalanon bat kila yo jing tip ru baki dan seki pat ki balangan ha ka jing syak thombuar. USP ula benrap ru bala yo banyakren ni ki wei kilanot ling ba ka phone ha ka bala batha iki ban wan ujor da ka ejahar. Nalor kata ula thu ru bala pendong ka jing khanrai ka yeng jong uni ubasha keno dan kti ha aizol Henry om shim lalap din ya u bat benram bakin sala ban chat sheet tat hadin bala yo ban kem ya u.
With regard to the rape case which has been registered in Ankara, we have actually sent lookout notices to Mizoram, and now we've also sent notices all India to nab the culprit. Team has been set up to actually trace the accused. The victim statement has been recorded. We have come to know that other victims also are there, and they will also be examined in due course of time. Once the accused is arrested and more facts are brought out, we will charge with the case as soon as possible. But right now, the immediate action of the police is to actually cause arrest of the accused. We have spoken to some more victims, and but it's just over phone, and we have called them to come and give their statement and the FIR. No, that's yet to be done. They have not come yet, but we've spoken on the phone. Media posts, I mean, that is not fact. We are yet to ascertain the veracity of that. So, unless people come forward, even these other two we've got, we are yet to ascertain. I mean, unless they come forward and give their statement and we examine them and get the veracity of their statement, only then can we ascertain that yes, they are victims of this offense. Police has not gone to Aizol. In fact, I'm in touch with SP Aizol. We have searched this. Aizol police has searched the house of the accused, and he is not there. In fact, from the beginning, only when the social media posts had emerged that he had gone absconding, and we had also come to know from certain sources that he is not there yet. We communicated to SP Aizol to actually conduct search and to look for him, and he's not there in his residence. It is a matter of time only that we will get him. The court is set, so we hope to get him soon.